guys, we are in pull apart. We're looking for a radio. There we go. You gotta love it when you spot what you need when you first walk in. I miss my little Civic. Well, actually I don't, because you know I got the Honda Accord now, so it's way better drive. Now what I miss is my G35, and if you ain't seen that video, make sure you all check that out. My red G35, sold it a couple of months ago. Let's see what we got in here. And if you guys don't know, I'm looking for a radio, and as you can see, they are taking all the radios. I'm hoping I can come up on something, hopefully an aftermarket one. I already got the screen for it. I just need that little piece, because on Amazon, that little aftermarket piece is $200, at least the one I'm talking about, the one that you can actually have the radio, you know, hooked up where your factory radio is, because if not, you got to buy the other kit, which is like 16 bucks, way cheaper, but you know, you got to put it down there at the bottom, your little storage area, you know what I mean? There go another one. But I don't want to really do that, man. I want to kind of keep the look of the car. I'm tired of using. Okay, here we go. We got one, but they done tore the damn thing all up. Man, they be tearing stuff up at the pull apart, man. They tear stuff up pretty bad. Just trying to get your part and move on. So here go one. So hopefully we luck up today, man. There go another one, but damn. There's a little family phone right there. Alright guys, I thought I found what I was looking for, but you know, it's like the aftermarket, but I got a double DIN I'm trying to put in. So I'm not trying to install it like down here where you can put your radio at. This one is not folding up, but I'm not trying to install it right here. I'm trying to install it, you know, right here. But I got a double DIN. So I think this is a aftermarket piece, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it's for just a single DIN. I'm looking for the double DIN. I thought I almost looked up, but nope. So we're gonna keep looking, see if we can find something. But this was almost it, and this is a coupe, by the way. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for, you know, because on a Honda it got the HVAC and everything attached to the, you know, radio. It's all one piece. So that's what I was looking for, like a double DIN piece, because like I said, on Amazon, this boy is like 200 bucks. And I'll put that in the link in the description below to show y'all what I'm talking about. So let's continue looking. Looks like we done almost searched everything, but I'm gonna keep looking and see. He got one right here. It's a 07 though, but I can already see that. I think there's another one too. Yep, down there. It's a coupe. See, yeah, man, they be stripping these boys. They be stripping these boys. Look at what I see. I seen a coupe down here. Yep, look at a coupe. See, man, see if we can luck up and find something, man. Being to pull apart. Oh, here we go. We got two of them. Here go one right here. And there's the coupe, the red one I was talking about. Let's see if we can find that piece, man. Just feeling lucky today, man. Just hoping I can find something. Nope. See, they took it. Man. Come on. They took it. Got some rain. Alright, let me finish looking, y'all. Let y'all know if I find something. Alright, guys, we couldn't find nothing. I was just hoping I was gonna get lucky today. So we're gonna go ahead and get up out of here. This was the last one I just looked at. But it actually got a radio in here, the factory, so let me go on and get up out of here. Appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe. I got more content coming. Me and my boys about to start up our own dealership, so I'm gonna take y'all through that process. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because you know, I'm gonna walk y'all through, you know, how to get your dealer license. You know what I'm saying? So me and my boy about to go in on our own thing, and I'm excited for y'all watching my journey. So I appreciate it. Peace.